Stand in the back seat, yeah? Stand in the back seat.
Yo, yeah, how's it going? Alright. Where you at home, man? Oh, it's nice weather today, actually. It wasn't too great yesterday, but it was nice weather today. We're heading home in a couple of hours, an hour or two. Hanging out to school tomorrow, you know? What's going on? Just enjoy the day, you know? You what, doctor? I thought it was half one. One, is it? Yeah, okay, well, I'll try and get there for one. Yeah, night and day, okay, no problem. I'll try and get there for one, I'm not promising that, it's a bit early for me, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. So what are you doing our time? Just visiting Javier and John and all, is it? Just visiting Javier and John and Mom and all that, is it our time, yeah? Is Rena coming with you? Is Rena coming with you, or? Who are the big boy this time? Who are the big boy? Newcastle are good. Oh, did he? You choke. Who Newcastle was? Newcastle. Villa, yeah, okay. What happened then? How did you manage to lose a 2-1, wasn't it again? Yeah. True indeed. Yeah. That we have, yeah. 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 Yeah, overall, yeah. you walk into the game? All you walk to play? Yeah. 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 Where are you placed now in the league?
Third, I mean, to third. That's pretty good.
Yeah, yeah. 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 Troy. Yeah. Cooper's Thomas, yeah. It's almost as important as how. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's very important. Go tell the mark, you know. What happens? What? I think that yeah. What happens is if a forward doesn't score fairly soon, the media is on a light. What? Yeah. Media saying, oh, we still haven't scored, and we're still waiting for our first score. Perhaps all of a sudden it's a big deal. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, well done. Yeah. Samo monocular optimist, as in. Not a lot of this. Oh God. Terrible insult. Yeah, yeah. My God. What an insult, my God. Did he? God. Yeah. 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 It's not quite the level of what's his name, Eric Cantona's Kung Fu kick. Out was it? Yeah. There's a documentary out by Heskey football career, called the Mist, M-I-S-S-E-D, the Mist. Yeah. Yeah, something like that, yeah. It's very average, you score it, you're just throwing it off the ball. Yeah. Your elbow, your shin. Yeah. There was a famous football player on Strictly, I forget his name, wasn't Emma Heskey, wasn't that big black eyes? Can't remember his name. This year. No, last year, Strictly, can't remember his name. That's it, yeah. You know Strictly, And a footballer won it for the first time, albeit a female footballer. Yeah, a female footballer won it for the first time. Yeah, I seen that, yeah. Yeah. The women's team. My God. Suppose so. Maybe they'll try and put on a show. Maybe we more watch it. It was naked women playing with them. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. Yeah. GDP will go down 3%. Anyway. I shouldn't have said that. Yeah. Terrible. Yeah. Terrible sexist, but anyway, I enjoy that joke. Do you know that Ireland is very strategically located in the Atlantic? Yeah, do you know why? No. Because so many underwater cables going through the US for Europe go through Irish waters. Because all these the Russians will want to cut those cables. Ireland is extremely important now, very important to England, the big argument in favour here, and also Europe. You know, we're not actually doing anything like this here. We're not protecting them. We're not surveilling the area. Blah blah blah. All that. They're more than grown. You know. Yeah, I know. I don't think they're. Yeah. Well, they're saying we should do more. You know, we should provide cable. But we benefit. Yeah. But we benefit from. But we benefit from economic issue. These cables. You know? So I think they're right. But you know, we are a neutral country. But I don't think it's really a tenable position. There's too many wars going on in the world. We have to decide somewhere. You know? I mean, we're on the Ukraine side in the Ukraine war. We haven't given them weapons, but we've given them money. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a lot. They can do a lot of that money. They can buy drones. They can make drones. They can set up factories. You know. Yeah. Yeah. No, I don't think so. I think it was just cash. Now what was it? Official line. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So even so, it doesn't matter. Aid. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. True. But even that aid, for example, let's say they send over electronic component. Okay. The photograph, not that important as far as I can. Yeah, I know it's fair parts now as well. The crew have to be paid, the fuel and everything. Yeah. It's not really. See, these days the drone is taken over from the plane traveling in Canada. You know, you can put. They're about €1,000 per pop, about 3,000 per pop, which is not that much, you know. No, the ones that you strap a bomb to it, you know, an artillery bomb to it, and I think some of them are more expensive, yeah, but not the well, they're selling over something like 1,000 a day at this point, you know, both sides, a huge number of drones a day, every day. No. So I don't think you're right. I think they're very cheap. You know. They are actually. They're really cheap. They're a couple of thousand. I think is what I remember reading. You can't send over 100,000 a day if they're 100,000 each. There's no way. You never could afford it. You know. But apparently, Ukraine's strategy seems to be to make the number of casualties on Russia's side greater than the amount they can replace them with. They want to get the casualty rate up to about 50,000 a month. And at the moment it's about 30,000 per month. And they can't replace them that quickly, you know. They just can't. They haven't got the manpower anymore. Most of them they've already had 1,200,000 casualties or something in that order. You know? So it's a good strategy. It seems to be a good strategy. I'm not sure if it's a winning strategy, but it's a good strategy, you know. They run out of manpower sooner or later. Yeah. Oh, really? Oh my God. Yeah, 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 yeah. Right. You mean Hamas? Yeah, yeah, okay. To be in power, okay. This is in Israel, is it? This is Israel. Israel. Iran. Hamas aren't in Iran. Hamas are in Israel. You mean the Revolutionary Guard? You mean the Iranian clerics, all that kind of crap? All them guys. You're mixing up your good. You're mixing up. No, they're not. Hamas are Palestinian revolutionaries that tried to kill a lot of people in Israel. Right? That Israel was fighting for many years. Right? Hamas. Yeah, in Israel. No. Iran supported them. Gave weapons, gave support, money, everything, right? It was bombing Iran. But the war was mainly in Israel, on the Palestine Strip, the Gaza Strip. In Israel, right? Iran was providing support to Hamas, giving them weapons, I suppose, giving them other things, food, I suppose, right? But the actual war was in Israel. Now, Iran and Israel had an 11-day war. It was only 11 days a few months ago, back in 2025. It was only 11 days. And Hamas are based in Israel. They're not based in Iran. Iran is hundreds of miles away. He is the, no, he's not. Netanyahu is the president of Israel. Yeah. So, the Ayatollah Khomeini is the president, the leader of Iran. Right. Okay. So Trump is. They must be in Iran because the people wanted to get rid of the clerics in Iran. Remember there was thousands of people killed in Iran by the Iranian regime. It must be in Iran. I'm not sure 100%, but that's where it must be, And Trump is sending over ships to try and take over Iran, to try and pressurize the Iranian regime. It may topple. I wouldn't be surprised if it did topple this year, If Trump goes in, it'll topple, I'd say. Yeah. Don't seem to have the support of the people anymore. Yeah. You gotta tell it. Yeah. They're relying on Russia and China. They're aligned with Russia. Yeah. I think they have armament. I think they've given them, for example, anti-aircraft missiles. And Iran are arming Russia, by the way. Iran gave them the drones. Yeah. No. The Ayatollah is the leader, supreme leader, the cleric. Right, yeah. You have to really good. You must be waiting for Trump to. I would have waited for Trump to arrive first of all. Yeah.
I'm with you there, I wouldn't with you there. I'm much there, yeah. Why we,
No.
What's she reading?
Yeah, nothing happened in Iran.
What's she reading?
No way. Hang on, what?
What's she reading?
The word original, isn't it?
Be honest.
Aye. Great. Go ahead, Ian. I know. In the meantime, you could be shot. Yeah. Of course you would.
yeah, I'll quick look at the Chinese website, see what the story is. No. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Mm. No, there's nothing really going to explain this about it. Iran.
Yeah, because Israel hate Iran anyway. They want to do it. They're a vested interest, you know. You know what? The Iranians never use the term Israel. They only use the term the Zionist entity.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. 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 Great. You're right, yeah. I think part of the, somebody, yeah, no, you're right, it's not all about army, it's about the weapons they have as well.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Yeah, that's a book. Yeah, you can just. Yeah, good point, Shane. You might try to avoid looking at people. Yeah. And there's also a possibility that to do in America, yeah.
It's 7:20.
Huh?
It's 7:20.
Yeah, yeah. Hang on, Shane, hang on. We're out 10 minutes. We start packing now, yeah?
I'm really packed.
Go right back to it. I'll pack the rest, so, okay? A few minutes, right? Talk about Shane in a few minutes, right? Go ahead, Shane. Yeah. Yeah. There's a wild card here. What if Iran has nuclear weapons? What if they do? They're not going to tell you. One way or the other. You see what I mean? What? Yeah. If they fire, they kill themselves. But if they're going to die anyway, they may as well fucking hit New York or Boston or something. You know what I mean? It's a wild card question. You can't really attack a nuclear powered country. You just can't. You know? Yeah. If they fire back, no, not necessarily. It depends on what the US does in retaliation. But if they hit a, yeah, they fire back, but they can't, it'd be too late if they fire back. They've already lost New York, or they've already lost Boston or something. You know what I mean? It's just unthinkable. Yeah. I don't know what you see, you can't really mess around with that, you know? You just can't. Yeah. I agree, I would agree. Yeah. Nobody wins in a nuclear war. America has to do out. Right, yeah. They might have intelligence on it. They might know. Yeah, they have intelligence. We don't know what intelligence is though. We can't say. We're not privy to it. You know what I mean? If Trump knows they have no nuclear weapon, right, that would help a lot in going in. But does he know that? Or does he know they have one? You know what I mean? Or does he know they might have one? You know what I mean? It's not so simple. You know? You're really risking the whole fucking country, America, you know, if they have one. If you're not sure if they have one. If you're not sure, you might find it the hard way. By the way, why didn't they nuke Israel when they had the chance?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Why didn't they nuke Israel when they had the chance? Maybe they haven't got one. Why didn't they nuke Israel when they attacked them? Israel attacked them last, I think it was last autumn, last summer. Yeah. I forget why.